Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MECCA token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, MECCA is a comprehensive Web3 infrastructure platform that bridges multiple sectors of the digital economy, including shopping, digital content, gaming, and community engagement. At the heart of the ecosystem lies the MEA token, serving as the primary medium for transactions, rewards, and interactions. The platform integrates core functionalities such as payment solutions, eco-friendly staking, NFT distribution, and user reward systems, providing a unified foundation for decentralized applications and services. By connecting diverse projects and enabling seamless interoperability, MECCA aims to deliver a real-world utility, foster mass adoption of blockchain technology, and create sustainable value for its users and partners. MECCA project institution rating is 4 and this project audited by Ceritic. MECCA token total supply is 3.99 billion and circulating supply is around 1.62 billion MEA token. MEA token is listed on MECCA, BingX, Bitmart, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.